68. One small thing, to reach 65 from these 97, what I have to do? If I put minus 32, or if I subtract 97 from 32 from 97, I'll get 65. If I put 98 minus 32, I will reach 66. And if I put 99 minus 32, I will get what? 67. 100 minus 32, 68. Okay. And the reverse version, what is that? 32 plus 65 plus 32, I will reach 97. 66 plus 32, 98. Getting? Observe this logic. Okay. And 67 plus 32, 98. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Now observe. I hope you understand this one. Okay. I hope you understand that one. I have to ignore case. I want to ignore case. This CHD is available with whom? CH1. Internally it uses what? 100. And capital D is available with whom? CH2. Internally 68. Okay. Now I have to ignore case. I have to tell to JVM you have to ignore case. So I have to tell 100 and 100 must be equals to here 68 plus 32, you will get 100. Meaning is what? Small d is equals to capital D. See, I'm just convincing, I'm just cheating our JVM. I think I'm taking her behavior of double equals operator and I'm taking that weakness as my advantage. Okay. So how to ignore cases means just put here, just put here as what? Plus 32. That's it. Blindly JVM will think, oh, both these values are same. Okay. My instructor has said to me to return true to this. But observe, I have achieved our requirement. Small d is equals to capital D, even though their Unicode values are different. Observe here, you might be getting one doubt. Mister, here it is. Okay, good. Now, what is the case if I have C here, small c, here capital C. Small c, Unicode value is how much? Just checking. We will do analysis once again. Small c Unicode value how much? Unicode value small c 99. Okay, 99. Capital C 1667. Now observe here 9967. Okay, think that with CH you are having 99. With CH2 you are having 67. Now do the same thing. What is CH1? Internally 99. Observe this part for a while. You might be getting doubt. Now how does it work for C and capital C? Small c and capital C. Observe. What is that? CH1 value is what? Think that it is what? C. For instance, it is capital D. 99 double equals to 67 plus 32. 99 double equals to 99. Yes. Small c double equals to capital C. I am convincing JVM by taking her weakness. Getting? Plus operator knowledge is having to JVM, and also double equals operator knowledge is having to JVM. I am taking that knowledge as my advantage and I am convincing JVM. Yes, we have achieved one thing. Now observe. One scenario we have done. Now one more small thing. Mister, here if you are having capital D, here if you are having small D, what is the scenario? Please observe our logic whether it works or not. What it is? Here I am taking capital D. Okay, capital D. Here it is small d. Okay, now observe. Just for a while. Okay, now just observe for a while. Okay. Capital D Unicode is what? 100. Small d Unicode? Capital D 68. Small d 100. Okay. Small d 100. Now observe here, this is S1 object, S1 dot caret of A value is what? 3. So it will return and it will assign to ch1 which one? Capital D. Okay, capital D, character literal. Internally I said to you one thing, JVM will use Unicode values. What is capital D Unicode value? 68. So it will consider 68 and S2 dot caret of A value 3. It will return S2 third index value, small d. Small d we are assigning to ch2. Internally it will consider 100. I have said to you the main weapon is that one only. Okay, now ch1 value is what? Internally 68. 68 double equals to 100 plus 32. Ayo, what is this? Observe friends, is this value is equal 68 equals to 132? No, but observe, capital D, small d. In earlier case, small d, capital D. For that I have written logic. Getting? For that I have written logic. If this is the scenario, small d, capital D, I said to JVM, hello JVM, no need to worry, I know about that. Make these two letters as equal and do your operation, don't do any other work. Okay, now I have taken small capital D, small d, vice versa. Now is this condition will execute properly? No, observe, no, right? Yes, no, it will not execute properly. Getting? It will not execute properly. Observe here, I have changed capital D, small d. Getting? Capital D, small d. Now what we have to do? You simple mister. Observe here, ch1 value is what? 68. ch2 value is what? ch2 value is what? ch2 value is what? 100. Okay, being at 68, getting? This is 68 and this value is what? 100. Okay, you are having here 68 and you are having 100. If you put minus 32, that is equivalent to 68. From 100 to reach 68, put minus 32, you will get 68. That's the logic. Getting? But where you are writing this plus 32, minus 32 is very important. Okay, now observe. Okay, now observe here. Okay, observe, this value is what? 68 and this value is what? 100 minus 32. Okay, observe this part. Just take these memory representations and you will get very good clarity. In earlier case it is what? Capital D 100, sorry, small d and capital D. Small d, capital D. Small d value 100, this one 68. So 100. Observe here, this is for our new scenario. If I put minus, then I will get 68 double equals to 68. Here, now think that it is what? ch1 value 100 equals to 68 plus 32. This is for now. I mean, this is for this case. Still I didn't discuss, I didn't write any instruction for this minus thing. Okay, till it is pending we will write. Okay, so what is the meaning? Observe here, can I write like this? Or ch1 double equals to ch2 minus 32, mister. That's it. Now observe here. Now observe here one small thing. ch1 value how much? Capital D. Internally JVM considers Unicode value. Capital D Unicode value 68 double equals to ch2 value is how much? Small d. Internally JVM considers 100. 100 minus 32. Yes, fine, 68. I am telling Miss JVM, here if it is capital D and here if it is like small d, consider, no issues. Both are true. You want to ignore cases. Make to do. I mean, it is to, please do your job. Okay, yes, fine. Yes, fine. Now observe here. If you are having small d at S1 at third index, and at S3 index, observe, if you are having capital D, here you are having small d. Now what is the values? 100, what is the other one? 68. Small d value will be here. Okay, now S1 dot character will be as what? D. Okay, small d, internally 100. Now S2 dot character of 3, capital D, internally 68. Now come here, it will come here. CH1 value is what? Internally 100. Double equals to, what is this? Double equals to 68 plus 32. It is equals to 100. I am telling, if you are having any lowercase alphabets or characters at left side, and if you are having any uppercase characters, okay, same characters, you just consider them as equal. How I am conveying that information to JVM? Through this CH1 equals to CH2 plus 32. Okay, yes, it is fine. Now observe, if you are having here capital D, small d. Okay, now observe this part. Now S1 dot caret of 3, what the value will be here? Capital D. S2 dot caret of 3, it will be as what? This one will be as what? Small d, internally Unicode values. Capital D Unicode value 68, small d Unicode value 100. Now come here. Now try to check this one. Okay, try to check this one. If here small d and here capital D, we are having instruction for that one. Here if it is small capital D, small d, we have to write the instruction. We have written. Let us check how JVM will do actions. Okay, now what is this CH1 value? 68. Double equals to CH2 100 plus 32. What is this? 68 equals to 132? No. But observe here, capital D, small d, both should be same, because you have to ignore cases. Okay, now observe, we are talking about that only, right? Now observe, it will not stop its evaluation at this statement. It will go to this one also. This is pipe symbol, represents logical OR symbol, getting, or short circuit or symbol. Okay, now CH value is what? 68. Double equals to CH2 value 100 minus 32, how much? 68. Double equals to 68. Here it is returning false, here it is returning true. Now please come to the if statement and do your task. Like that I am guiding our JVM. Even though both the both the index characters are different, and even though both the index characters are different with respect to cases, but DD both are same. Orally both are spelling as DD only, but cases are differing. Okay, if cases are differing, you have to tell it is true. That is observed without considering. You should not consider cases. Okay, if both are same, tell both are same without considering cases. Okay, if you are having capital D here and small d here, we have written the logic, and if you are having here small d and here capital D, you have written the logic. And one small thing, this is dead simple. Observe, if I have here small d and small d, what we have to do? Simple thing, how to tell to JVM. Observe here, now you are having here as what? Observe here, S1 dot caret of A 3, right? Now observe here, it will be as what? Small d, internally Unicode value. s2 dot caret of 3. Observe here, s2 dot caret of 3, small d. So here it will be as what? Small 3. Okay, small d, 100. Now observe here, ch1 internally it will use as what? Unicode value. 100 double equals to 100 plus 32. 100 double equals to 132? No, it is false. Yes or no? Yes. Now this one, or ch1 value is how much? 100 double equals to 100 minus 32? No, it is 68 double equals to 100? No. Even you have to write instruction for this scenario also. Observe here how to tell or how to guide JVM for that scenario. Simply put once again logical OR symbol or short circuit OR symbol and put what? ch1 double equals to ch2. Don't put any arithmetic plus or arithmetic minus operators. Now observe here, 100 double equals to 100, s2, it will become s2. Now it will come into the if statement. If this is the, observe here, if that is the situation, observe here, if that one is the situation or if that is the case, observe here, I can take here as small capital D, small d, small d, capital T, otherwise small d, small d. Observe, these three scenarios are existing. If you are getting these three scenarios inputs, you have to tell it is equal only, right? Yes. Now observe here, both all the things are equal. Now observe, if that is the case, perform nothing. This is null statement. Getting null statement, perform nothing but be calm, do your job. Next other job. Now observe, you're having a each and every checking. What is that? Here it can be uppercase, here it can be lowercase. Other option is what? Other scenario, here you can have lowercase, here you can have uppercase. Other scenario, other option, here lowercase, here also lowercase. Now observe, other than this scenario, next scenario is if you are having here f. If you are having f, that is d and f here. Now observe here, not f, let me take here capital A. Okay, now s1 dot caret of a value is what? 3. Okay, it will return what? s1 third index character. What it is? 100, no issues. Okay, 100, no issues. Now s2 dot caret of 3. Observe here, what it will return? Capital A, whose index Unicode value is what? 65. Getting 65. Observe here, I am talking about this scenario. I am taking here small d, here I have taken capital A. Observe here, ABCD, ABCA, word spelling itself wrong. ABCD, last is D, that is the data within string, last character is what? Small d. But here within this s2 string, ABCA, not D. Okay, you are spelling A, then meaning is also getting changed. ABCD, ABCA, no D, so it is false. So you are having only two options here. What is that? Whether both the index characters can be equal by ignoring the cases. If I ignore cases, I have three scenarios. What and all those? I have three scenarios. What is that? Capital D, small d, small d, small d, small d, capital A. If I ignore cases, okay. And if these elements index values are not same, even though ignoring cases, what happens? Both are not equal. Getting small d, capital A, small d, capital A. So at one option, I have two options. Okay, so here I have two options. At first option, by ignoring cases, I have some three sub options. Okay, sub options. At second option, I have only one option. That is what our else one. I have two options. One is what? Yes or no. Observe here. This index character can be same or not same. If they are not same, of course one option. If they are same means, observe here, I have what? Three scenarios. That is what these three. If it is true, three scenarios. If it is like false, only one option. Three scenarios, three sub options within single sub option. Okay. If it is like true, they have three sub options. If it is like false, only one option. I hope you get this. Okay. Now observe this one. Now, what is that one? If at least any one of the index, if at least any one of the index character is not equal, without thinking, tell it is false. Okay, how to tell that one? Put here else false, written false, make the control to break. Make the control to break. Now what happens? At my first checking itself, it is what? False. False. Written false to this statement. That's it. Please wait. We are always with third index only, mister. What about second index? Third index checking has been done. Think that you are having here capital D. Okay, think that you are having capital D. Okay, now you have to, by ignoring cases for third index, these third index elements are same. Now come to second index element, and second index element perform the same action. I said one thing to you, JVM internally, JVM access characters through index values only. Okay, now how to get second index? Simple thing, mister. A value is how much? 3. Put -1 for this one. If you put -1, you will get 2, right? Yes. Okay, now observe here. Okay, observe here. Okay, observe. So now let me put here as what? Within this while statement, observe here, this is our null statement, and later else written false, and just decrement a variable value. Okay, a variable value I am decrementing. And where is that while loop? Here, while loop scope, end scope. Okay, now I am decrementing which variable value? A variable value. Now currently a variable value at memory is what? 3. Because of this statement, I1 value is what? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, still just few things are there. A value is what? 2. Now it will reach here. This is end scope of while loop. Come here, we don't know the condition to write here, we will write that one later. Okay, now come into this one. Okay, fine. Yes, mister, once again we are changing a value to 3 here. Okay, observe this statement, don't write within this while loop. Okay, we want a value as what? 2 only. Observe here, third index checking has been done. Now I want to perform second index checking. So please maintain that statement outside the while loop. Okay, now int a equals to I1 minus 1, otherwise I2 minus 1. Here we have to write the condition, we don't know. Okay, now observe, a value is becoming as what? 2 here. Now it will, control will go here, think that it is 2, we will write that condition later. Now come here, now s1 dot caret of a. Now observe here, s1 dot caret of a. Okay, now s1 dot caret of a, that s1 dot caret of a. Observe here, s1 dot caret of a. Which value it will return? Small c. Small c will be assigned to ch1. Okay. Internally it will consider what? Unicode values 99. Okay. Now s2 dot caret of a value is what? 2. Now s2 dot caret of 2, capital C. Observe, s2 dot caret of 2, capital C. Unicode value 67. Okay, 67. Now come here. Now I want to tell to JVM, if I have at second index same character by ignoring cases, that is by ignoring case alphabetical cases, please make them as true, otherwise tell false. Okay, observe here, if it is same means you don't do any action. Okay, here you just go and do some other action. Okay, how to convey that information to JVM? Like this second index character literals are same. If I don't consider cases, CC, but Unicode values are different. I said that internally JVM will use Unicode values. Okay, now observe, it will come here. What is this ch1 value? ch1 value internally 99. So now 99 equals to 67 plus 32, 99 equal true. Okay, it will not perform this checking. That is the advantage of this short circuit or logical or. Okay, now it will come to if block. If block is executing, this else will not get execute. Okay, this else will not get execute. Now what happens? It will come to a minus. A value will be as what? 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, now end of the while loop, it will go once again. JVM will come here. What it is? Think that still it is true, we will write that condition later. Now it will come to this one, s1 dot caret of a. Observe here, without knowing to us, we have done checking up third index and second index also. Yes, now observe here, we have to perform checking of first index, available at s1 object, available at s2 object. We have to perform checking. If that index character is equal, by considering cases, that is you should avoid cases. Observe here, not considering cases. I'm sorry, if I don't consider cases, small b, capital B, both are same, right? Reading, but if I consider cases, both are not same. But equals ignore case method logic is what? You should not consider cases. Observe here, use the brain here. I think this logic will tell us we are not going to consider the cases. Okay, observe, you have to be so specific. Okay, I have given clear cut explanations. Okay, now a value is what? 1. Now take this s1 dot caret of 1. What is there at first character? Small b. Okay, now I'm overwriting these values as what? Small b. Okay, this one will not be available to us at memory, it will be as what? Small b. Okay, small b Unicode value, Unicode value only JVM will consider internally. Small b Unicode value 98. Now s2 dot caret of a value is what? 1. s2 dot caret of 1. Here it will be as what? Capital B. The same thing as, just to make the difference, I am just writing this one there. Okay, observe. Now it is what? Capital B. Capital B Unicode value 6. Yes, 6. Now come here. What is this? 90. Now check. ch1 value is how much? 98. Internally considers Unicode value 98. Double equals to 66 plus 32. Yes, it is true. Now execute this null statement. Okay, now come out of the if else thing. Now it will execute what? Observe this part, friends. Okay, observe this part. A minus minus a value will be as what? 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, it will be as what? 0. End of the while loop. Come to this one, think that it is still true. Come here, s1 dot caret of a value is what? 0. Without knowing to us, we have done checking third index, second index, first index characters of both the strings. Now s1 dot caret of a is what? 0. Now it will give what? A, small a. Let me write that one here. Okay, now h1 value will be as what? A. Okay, so let me write that one here. It will override this one. Okay, let it be small a. Internally Unicode value 97. s2 dot caret of a value is what? 0. Okay, now what happens? s2 dot caret of 0 is what? Capital A. Let me write that one just for our analysis purpose. Capital A. Unicode value 6. 6 5. Now come here. It will perform checking who our JVM by considering what? Unicode values. Observe, very important. Okay, now 97 plus 65 plus 32 double equals to 65 plus 32, 65 plus 32, 97. Both are equal, true, right? It will return what? This operator will return what? True. Okay, now it will execute what? Null statement, nothing there to execute. Okay, now it will come out of the if else block. Observe, a minus minus, this is so important to us. 0 minus 1, what is our value? 0 minus 1 is what our value? Minus 1. 0 minus 1 is what? Minus 1. Okay, now observe this part. Okay, 0 minus 1. Please observe, you have performed checking of 0th index element. Perform D, C, B, A, D, C, B, A. All checkings you have performed. You have started from last index and you have come across these indexes to starting index. I have started from last index and I have come across these indexes to reach 0th index. Our action finished. We have completed small a, capital A checking. Finished.